How to set up Shopify store India. If you're looking to target Indian market using your Shopify store, here's what you can do. Just follow these steps. I'll show you guys in this video. Now we'll start off by opening up the main page of our Shopify store and we'll head over to settings on the bottom left corner. And now here you will see this kind of interface and different options popping up right here. First of all, we will go and connect a domain with our Shopify store. So simply go click on buy a new domain, or you can connect an existing one as well. If you have bought a domain using platform like hosting or GoDaddy, you can simply select this option. Otherwise, just go and buy a new domain directly from Shopify. Although I don't prefer that. Well, the next thing we're gonna do is head back to the main page of our Shopify store, and we will click on this markets button right here. And now here you will see that if India is our domestic market, we don't need to add it. And if it's not your domestic market, we'll go and click on this create market button. And here we will type it as India. And we will click on this add condition button. Here we will search India. Simply go and click on this done button. And you will see that all these options will be inherited once this market is created. So we'll go simply and click on this save button right here, and after that our market would be active. Once you create your market, you need to figure out these different options like shipping, like payment methods. Now we will head back to settings, which is on the bottom left corner, and here what we will do is we will go and click on this payments method right here. Click on payments. Here, as you guys know, Shopify payments is not available in India. But we can do is we can choose a third-party provider for our payment method. So simply go and click on this choose a provider option. Here you see different third-party providers that you can use. The most used one in India is UPI. You can select this one, or you can, for example, select Pioneer. Simply go and click here, install it. I have already installed it right here, so simply go install it, make an account in it, and connect it. Well, that's how easy it is. After that, you'll be able to receive payments. Well, that's how you can get started with your Shopify account India. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.